Okay, a quick review of what we did on the quiz yesterday and our extra time given today. Here is the formula now for exponential equations, where our exponent is the variable and a sideward t-chart. Again, I had very good result on this. Most of you had this correct. On the graph, what is the special name we give to the x-axis when we plot this type of data? It's called the horizontal asymptote. Remember, an asymptote is a line that something approaches but never reaches. I could have asked about the domain and range and many other questions, but we can only ask 11, so we had 2 sections to cover. Now in example 1b in section 10.4 for question 3, the value of b here is 3. In question 4, example 2a, what would the n value be in this equation? Well, the n was the number of times it was going to be compounded during the year, and it was compounded annually, so n would be 1. Now for number 5, what would be the future value of this if n were 12, that is, monthly? Well, you would put the 12 there in the denominator, and you would have to multiply the years by 12. So this exponent would have been 36. So you do this division, add 1, raise it to the 36th power, and then multiply it by 1,000, and you get this as an answer. I think this was the one most folks had incorrect, but many had it correct. Number 6, what is the formula for continuous compound interest? Again, you didn't have to memorize it yet. It's just using it from your notes. A equals the principal, and then Euler's E raised to the RT power, rate times time. Number 7, here we are asked to convert from exponential form to log form, and I have it written out. Log base 6, answer is 1, the exponent is 0. Now here it was in logarithmic form. We had to convert it to exponential form. And again, we worked these examples out for you. Here the protocol would be the base is 2, the exponent is 4, and the answer is 16. So base 2, exponent 4, answer is 16. Now here we had to solve for the x value, which is the answer. Well, this was 16 to the 3/4 power. So that's the 4th root of 16 is 2, raised to the 3rd is 8. So x equals 8. And again, we work this one out. Now here we want to know what exponent will we raise the base 4 to get a 64? Well, 4 to the 3rd power is 64. So x is 3. And then the last one, the change of base formula. Again, we're not asking you to memorize it at this time, and it's listed right there. The one that, again, most people had wrong was number 5. Otherwise, many did very well, and again, some of this is very challenging material, and we wish you good luck on your certify. And then also be sure you are moving into the new book for the new chapters or new sections.